When the doors to your flight open, please take a seat and store all carry-on items in the under-seat compartment. This includes cameras, purses, hats, and of course, these little cuties. Next, fasten your seatbelts, inserting them into the buckle on your right. If smaller aviators don't measure up to the height indicator on the seat, just put the belt through the loop in the center strap before buckling. That's what it felt. Soon you will be airborne. So if you or your little aviators have fear of flying or of heights, you might want to wait for your party at the arrival. Okay, let's review. That is seat belt, carrying item, safety strap, fear of heights, keep your hands and arms inside at all times. Yeah. Have a nice one.
I almost got frozen.
Soarin to tower. We are ready for takeoff.
Oh, my feet.
On behalf of our entire flight crew, thanks for soaring with us.
To unfasten your seatbelt, just push down on the red button on your right. Be sure to gather all your carry-on items from the under-seat compartment and exit to your left.